little bit about my journey to becoming CPA started off in college. I'll say I came into college as a marketing major. I knew nothing about accounting, but I took my first accounting class and I loved it and I was really good at it. And I met on a career fest, a couple of people who actually worked in public accounting. And therefore, I was able to do an internship at a public accounting firm. And I liked the people, I liked the culture, I liked the opportunities that were presented to me in the field of public accounting. And once I became an intern, I kind of just never stopped. I never left. I did multiple internships until finally I got my full-time offer at Deloitte, and I've been working at Deloitte in public accounting ever since. So the best part of my job, I think it's really, and it sounds really cliche, but I get to work with a lot of awesome people on a lot of cool projects. And that can be people that are at the firm. So not only working with people that are in accounting, but I've worked with a lot of people that are IT specialists or tax specialists or even environmental specialists, because that does impact the financial statements at some point in time, to also working with people that are outside of public accounting. So my clients, I've had the opportunity to work with a lot of people who are doing some really amazing things. In my field that I focus on is technology. And so it's a very rapidly changing, ever-growing industry. And it's really nice to talk to some of the leaders and movers and shakers in that industry, be it the CEO or the CFO or even the controller or the person who's dealing with these complex accountings for these unique transactions that they come up with all the time. So I would say it's the opportunities that are presented to work with really cool people and on really cool projects. Some of the opportunities that I've seen for women or minorities within the CPA profession span from, when you're starting off as a first year with an audit all the way up to the CEO of a company. My company or my firm that I work for is a perfect example. Our CEO, Laura Abrash, is a woman, and she's the CEO of Audit, which I'm very proud of. And our former CEO, Kathy Engelbert, was also a woman, and she is also now has moved on to be the commissioner for the WNBA, which is a really cool job for someone who started off in accounting. You may not have thought that someone in accounting would be the commissioner for the WNBA. But it has also spanned outside of the public accounting sphere to a lot of the controllers that I've worked with are women, CEOs are also women, or directors of finance. It can span the gamut really within the profession of accounting, both within public accounting and outside public accounting. So there's a number of opportunities that you have as a woman. I thought I was going to be dealing with numbers all the time. And I do deal with a lot of numbers, but a lot of what I do as a part of my job is writing and communicating effectively.